don't know if you can see this, but it's snowing. Here we go, day 2. That's a lot of debris. So before I get going on day 2, I should probably clean all this stuff up. Let's see if it can capture how cold it is right now. Yeah, it's about 29 degrees out, so cranking up my buddy again. Seriously, if it wasn't for this guy right here, this would be a miserable build. On today's agenda, I would like to take down this wall right here, get this whole shower area completely gutted out, and maybe even get to the sink. We'll see. It's pretty ridiculous in how many fasteners are actually hidden and how many fasteners they really even use on a project like this. Let me show you how many came out of the bathroom. This is the amount of fasteners that came out of just the bathroom build alone. I don't understand why there's that many fasteners. You should have very minimal penetrations to make sure you have no water entry anywhere. And with over, I would say probably 200, I'm shocked they didn't have many failures in the 70s or 80s. Build quality right here. I'm not really sure why they use all these 1-bys right here. They just fastened them all together when they could have easily just purchased a 1x4, a little bigger, and I think that'd give you better strength, honestly. It's not even tacked on anything. So no support. Let's see if we can actually move this tub. So apparently I'm stuck on something. Everything else appears to be off. There's a little bit of sealant right here that I cut out from this vent tube, but it doesn't want to set free, so give me a moment. Originally not what I wanted to do, but this tub has left me no choice. That is all signs of rodents. I haven't seen any bodies yet, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna find a few. Little mouse village under the tub. Here's what's left of the shower pan. I really wanted to try to save it, but it didn't want to come free, so we had to chop them up. And this is why you should always renovate an older RV, an old van or something, because this is really common. Okay, so before I clean all of that mouse stuff up, I think we should definitely get some PPE on. So, personal protective equipment. This right here, you can get it at, I believe at Lowe's. It's like $7. You have a face mask, glasses, and also ear protectors too. So if you are in the need or in the market for some PPE, pick this stuff up. Super, super inexpensive, and you get all 3 things you need if you're doing any kind of like heavy work. I did not put a face mask on because I didn't see anything that warranted it, but now that I have some, I guess, rat crap, rat bodies, rat nesting, bedding, whatever it's called, definitely gonna start wearing this. So here you go, let's do it. factory thermostat right here. I'm probably just going to upgrade to a newer unit. It only has 2 wires. Your positive right up here and your negative down here. This runs off the 12-volt system, so it's not very complicated to wire up or anything. Like I said, just 2 wires, positive and your negative. Missing something here. This was the entire bathroom area and a pseudo cubby little cabinet thing. Got a lot of work done, and we still have a lot more to go. With the sink finally pulled out, I think we're going to call it on day 2. Thank you so much for following. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you. Thanks.